Xiong Mao. At a slow tempo, crotchet is set at 56 beats per minute. Before you begin, you need to feel the quaver-semiquaver groups from the steady beat. So we begin by counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in those ands are where the semiquavers are. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. I just counted bars 3 and 4 for the right hand, but you need to think that before you begin the beat with the left hand in bars 1 and 2. 1 and 2, here we go. Let's try this a little bit quicker. Not quite up to speed yet. We're about halfway between the slow tempo we just took and what the performance tempo would be. So let's listen to how we would count this before we begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. So feel that beat. 1, 2, here we go. And now let's put it up to the performance tempo, which is 80. So I've got my metronome set at 80. So let's listen to how you would count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go.